Spectrum Mobile Wi-Fi calling allows you to make calls and send texts over a Wi-Fi network, which is especially helpful in areas with weak cellular signals. If you're having trouble with Wi-Fi calling, let's troubleshoot some common issues. First, ensure Wi-Fi calling is enabled in your Spectrum Mobile app or your phone's settings. On iPhones, go to Settings, Phone, Wi-Fi Calling. On Android, it's typically under Phone App, Settings, Calls, Wi-Fi Calling. If it's already enabled, toggle it off and on again. Next, make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection with a minimum upload speed of 1 megabit per second. Try switching to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network if available, as it often provides a more stable connection. Another frequent cause is account verification problems, so restart your device after enabling Wi-Fi calling. If problems persist, update your Spectrum Mobile app to the latest version, 5.2.1 or later, as it includes diagnostic tools to automatically resolve common problems like authentication errors. Also, make sure your iPhone is running iOS 18 or later, and your Android device is on Android 15 or later for improved native support and fewer compatibility glitches. If basic troubleshooting doesn't solve the issue, there are a few more advanced steps you can try. For iPhone-specific problems like Wi-Fi calling unavailable, reset your network settings by going to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. For Android issues, especially on non-Google phones like Samsung, ensure your device is unlocked and the Spectrum SIM card is active. You might also try third-party apps like Wi-Fi Calling Fix if necessary. Check your router's firmware and update it if needed, and Spectrum recommends using WPA3 encryption for best results. Temporarily disable any VPNs, as they can interfere with Wi-Fi calling. If all else fails, contact Spectrum support directly by dialing 611 from your Spectrum mobile line for back-end checks. Looking ahead, Wi-Fi calling is becoming increasingly integrated with 5G and Wi-Fi 7 for seamless connectivity. Expect AI-driven diagnostics in apps to automatically fix issues and full 6G integration for even smoother handovers by 2027. Keep your devices and apps updated to take advantage of these improvements. Always be cautious when using public Wi-Fi networks and consider using a VPN to protect your data.